Hey guys, this is a gravel bike with tubeless tires, and there is a puncture on this rear wheel which is just slightly larger than what the sealant can manage to fix. It's quite easy for me to hear. Not sure does that come over on the video, and if I run my hand over it I can feel it, and the puncture is just here. When I plug it with my finger it stops leaking. I'm going to use this cycling box tire repair toolkit to fix it and stick one of these plugs into the tire. So on one end there is this tool which you can clean the hole with, and the other one you use to stick the plug into the hole. There are a lot of similar tools out there, so I'll leave a link down below in the description to some if you want to check it out. So I'll start by cleaning the hole by sticking the tool in it, and you can just rotate it a bit like this. Don't go too deep because then you will hit the inner, so you don't want to hit the inner parts of the tire, not to damage anything in there. But with the plug, just take it like halfway in this kind of fork and then stick it into the hole. And then pull it out. Maybe you can hold a bit on the plug. And now we have the hole plugged. You could cut the remainder off. If you're on the road, some say that you could just leave it on and it would wear off, but I'm at home and I prefer cutting it off to make it kind of flush with your tire. Some of the instructions say that with these plugs you should use rubber cement on the plug, but some other instructions just say that together with the sealant it will fix the hole without rubber cement. So now with the plug in place, it's a matter of just inflating the tire again to the desired pressure and taking it out for a test ride. If you found this video helpful, please give the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.